Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of Kerala's delicious and fluffy Neyappams. These delectable treats are perfect for a quick and satisfying breakfast or a delightful evening snack. Let's get started. Prepare the Jaggery syrup. In a pan, melt 500 grams of crushed jaggery with 500 milliliters of water. Once melted, strain the syrup to remove impurities. Let it cool. Prepare the coconut mixture. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Add 1/2 cup of chopped coconut and fry until golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and fry for 2 more minutes. Let it cool. Make the batter. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of maida, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the cooled jaggery syrup and mix well to form a smooth batter. Blend the batter once for a smoother consistency. Add 1/3 cup of roasted rava. The coconut mixture. One teaspoon of cardamom powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to the batter. Mix well. Fry the neyappam. Heat ghee and oil in a pan. Pour a ladle full of batter into the hot oil. The batter will puff up and cook. Flip and cook the other side until golden brown. And there you have it, folks. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, these Neyappams are sure to satisfy your cravings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!